Hello lovelies, in today's video guys, I just want to let you know that tomato can literally transform your skin overnight. You can literally take your skincare game from 0 to 100. And no guys, this is just not an attempt to make you watch my video, because this actually work. Like, research has confirmed that tomato contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and carotene. And come on guys, these are the ingredients in the expensive skincare product that we pay tons of money to buy. And guys, I'm so sorry if you are coming across this information for the first time. The fact is, this secret has been used by a lot of Koreans, a lot of experts in the skincare industry for thousands, and only God know when. That is being used in the beauty industry, even in spa, you know, to help people to achieve a very glowing and flawless skin. It's just that probably we don't really pay too much attention to it, obviously because we have money to throw around. But now that the economy is hard on everyone guys, like, it is time to revisit all those skincare gems and use it for our own benefit. And that's what today's video is all about. So I'll be showing you how you can combine this tomato to achieve a very flawless skin with one other ingredient that is in your kitchen right now. Tomato helps to eliminate dead cells. It helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to glow the skin. It is very good for acne prone skin, as it helps to, you know, keep acne at bay. It helps to keep a check on oil production. So if you have an oily skin or acne prone skin, this particular recipe will be very good for you. Even if you have combination skin or dry skin, you will definitely benefit from this particular recipe. So the other ingredients we'll be using in today's video is coffee. So guys, coffee contains caffeine, which helps to reduce redness and inflammation. It also helps to lighten up the skin and also reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. So today's recipe guys, we help to give you a very smooth, flawless, bright and radiant skin without breaking the bank. Who doesn't like that? Like, come on. Okay, before we proceed to making our recipe, I just want to take this opportunity to appreciate everyone watching this video. For everyone that subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. Thank you so very much. And if you are watching right now, you are just coming across my channel, my name is Justina. I reside in United Kingdom. Can you let me know where you are watching from? And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Turn on the notification bell, okay, so you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I make a video. If you have any question about this particular recipe or any of my videos, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be very glad to give you a response. So our tomato is thoroughly clean guys. So what we do now is, like I said, this is a very easy recipe. Okay, like, we go in and we cut it into two, like so. I love to give it some incision, you know, just to make it super easy. This particular recipe too can be used on your lips. Like, if you have a very like dark lips, you know, it can be used to achieve like a pink lip. Okay, so I just make some incision on it, like I said. Okay, just like so. So the next thing to do is we take our coffee and we just take like a little pinch, and we just take like a little pinch from it, just something like that. Don't worry, if you need more later you can add to it, but for the first attempt, to just like I said, just like a little pinch. And you can increase it depending on, because obviously we'll be focusing, for the sake of this video, we'll be focusing on our face alone. But like this recipe is not limited to just your face. You can use it on your hand, you can use it on your whole body, literally. Take the tomato and you just add this to it, just like this. Okay, like I said, this will not be enough, so I add more, and I just add it. So you just spread it so evenly. Okay, spread it, you know, and just try to mix everything together. Can you see what I'm doing guys? Like I said, like, if you'll be using this for your body, for your whole body, obviously the method will be different, will be slightly different. But because we are just focusing on our face, okay, see, everything is thoroughly mixed. Okay, so it's going like that. So I'll just take this combo and just, you can see what I'm doing now, and apply it in a circular motion, guys. Your skin will definitely thank you for this. So guys, if you'll be using this for your whole body, you will need to make the tomato into puree, obviously. But because this is a nighttime recipe, and most time, I just want to be real, most time you are so tired, you know, this just does it better. Most especially when you are just doing it as a face pack, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, you just continue. So rub it on your face, okay, in a very circular motion, allowing our skin to absorb all the goodness, all the goodness. Thank you so much if you watch my video to this level. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are here to do so. It's free of charge. Like, that's the means to let me know that you enjoy this type of content and to encourage me to make more, guys. Like I said, these are the recipe that you pay tons of money to get. When you say you go for like body polish in the spa, these are the things, guys. These are the things. I'm sorry to let the cat out of the basket. I'm sorry to let the secret out, but we all know what the economy is saying now. We all know. And one thing about this is that, you know, it helps your skincare product to even work better. It also helps your skincare. It helps to, you know, preserve your skincare product, because obviously you don't need to, you know, use too much, because the natural is already doing a lot on your skin. And these are very mild products. As you can see, they are very mild, very mild. Okay, so guys, so once I allow everything to sit on my face, after I rub everything on my face and I make sure that, you know, I thoroughly apply generously on my face, I just allow it to sit on my face for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then the next thing that I do is, you know, to take it off. And this is very soothing, guys, very soothing. Okay, just like I said, you can use this particular recipe on any part of your body. It doesn't have to be your face. You can use this on any part of your body, your neck. Like, you can even use it to do like a body scrub, you know, just to give your skin that pampering effect, that treatment. You just take it off and you can literally feel like your skin will feel so soft, you know, will be so soft, so refreshed. This particular product is so refreshing, guys, so refreshing. Okay, so after taking it off, after I wipe it out like this, you can just go ahead and just rinse it. But obviously, because I don't want to be standing up, moving my camera and everything. Okay, so I just take it off like this. Take it off. So after I take it off with my wipes, I just go in with a very wet towel into a lukewarm like water. Obviously, because I'm making video, that's why you don't need to be doing all of this. You can just rinse this with lukewarm water directly. Okay, and I just wash my face with it. Because the water also, you know, don't use hot water, guys, because it will make your skin to be very dry. Use cold or lukewarm water. It will help to soothe your skin, you know, and also enhance a glowing skin. We don't want a dry skin. We don't want it. Okay, just thoroughly wipe my face. I just thoroughly wipe my face with this wet towel of mine. Make sure that everything is, I've taken everything off. Can you see the towel is so clean? Yes. So the next thing is to go in with the moisturizer of my choice. Let me know, guys, if you want me to make video on the best face cream of 2024, you know, best affordable skin face cream for all skincare type. Can you let me know? Okay, after then, stretch moisturize your skin, then go to bed and wake up to the world that, like, you don't even need to wake up, guys. Like, you can literally feel the softness. Like, your skin will be so soft, you know, so smooth. You can literally feel the immediate effects. Like, now, okay, you can literally feel the immediate effects. This is such a very nice, affordable, stress-free recipe. Thank you so much. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are here to do so. Smash the like button, turn on the notification, drop your comment, observation, suggestion. If there's something you want me to film about, if there's a topic you really want me to maybe talk about, or maybe any observation, I will be very happy to hear from you. Thank you, and see you in my next. Bye.